Hello, good evening. So, India has lost the Eden Test match, the first Test match against South Africa at Eden Gardens on a very difficult pitch, which was underprepared. It was a pitch which actually the Indian think tank wanted to be a dry one. So, just 3 days before the test, the water was not sprinkled on the pitch and it became dry, bone dry, and cracks started to appear and it started to spin late on first day, and it was spinning absolutely square. Started to spin much more, and with puff of dust coming out, variable bounce, some balls leaping, some balls jumping, some balls keeping low. So as it is, the pitch really was really didn't help Indian team at all. Didn't help the test match at all. The test match was over in 2.5 days, and definitely this kind of pitches is not going to help to protect test cricket at all. So poor thinking by the Indian team management, and they went on to lose against South Africa. The current Indian, I think Indian team for the last 10 to 15 years, the current crop of Indian batsmen, the recent era of Indian batsmen just can't play spin well, and it was proved once again in this test match. Some bright spots there. Washington Sundar playing very well at number 3, and I feel he can be a good long term uh, uh, player at number 3 spot, if he's again not changed, if someone else doesn't come and play in number 3 in the next test match. So as far as the South African concerned, brilliant test win. I think this test win for them is right up there with the WTC final win against Australia at Lords in last June. So this one in India and Calcutta, difficult pitch, difficult uh, conditions. South Africa haven't won a test in India for about 15 years, and it is the first win in 15 years. So brilliant by Temba Bavuma and his boys, I must say. Uh, and Simon Harmer, what a off spinner. He's superb. I mean, he's the experts have been talking highly of him, and his flight, his bowling, his drifts, and the accuracy was absolutely brilliant, and very deservingly player of the match with 8 wickets in the match. Temba Bavuma also could have been a very strong contender. 55 runs, the only 50 in the Calcutta Test has come from Temba Bavuma. 55 not out. What an innings it was, and really can't but feel happy for the South African team. But Indian team, a lot of things to ponder, a lot of things to change. The approach needs to change, and we need to play on better wickets, definitely.